Tailândia hakara ajuda governo Timor-Leste, lihusi haburas capacidade e centro formação, liu ba jovem Timor-Wansira.
Embaixador Tailândia ba Timor-Leste, Atipat Rosa Mapai Bulia, informa assunto ne, foi malu o primeiro-ministro Kerala Sanana Guzmão, terça-feira Lawrence no recensia fulang março ne e palácio governo dele. Ni afirma e encontro o chefe governo ne discute com a relação bilateral entre nação ruane, Husi guarda dame, to construção Timor-Leste, cooperação nebe se foca liu bahasa e capacidade institucional nação niang, prepara ansai membro ASEAN.
I think my friends from the media, today I met with Prime Minister Sanana Guzmão. This is my courtesy call after I present the credentials to the President on the 6th of March. We discussed about the bilateral relations between Thailand and Timor-Leste. The Prime Minister mentioned about his experience and his fond memory about Thailand and our relations and cooperation in the past. Start from the peacekeeping time to the nation building of Timor-Leste up until today. This year, our cooperation between the two countries will focus on the capacity building of Timor-Leste in order to help develop the country and also prepare Timor-Leste to be full member of ASEAN. As the President and the Prime Minister mentioned that by the year 2025, which is next year, we will help to support your country for the capacity building. We plan to upgrade to Bemong's centers to help the mother and child development in Kelikai and Pakia. This is in Macau municipality. We also will support the revise the midwifery curriculum. This one also to help to have the resource person to support the mother and child care. Thailand will also support the experience to share the preparation for the Timor-Leste for the value-added tax, the National Development Bank, and last but not least is about the coffee industry that we will invite some of the people in this area to visit Thailand at the end of the year. We also have the nutrition support program for 6 schools under the royal project of Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn. And our discussion was I was very impressed by the commitment and the intention of the Prime Minister to further strengthen the relation with Thailand and his devotion to the country. I do hope that during my assignment in this country, I can be able to work with not only the government but also with the members of media in order to enhance the relations between Thailand and Timor-Leste. And thank you very much for your time today, and I do hope that we can meet each other somewhere sometime again. Obrigado. Thank you very much.
Além de Turnia, buat importante liuma con a indústria café, nos sira se convida Timor-Leste a tu visita Tailândia e tina nenya rohan, nos siramos e programa apoio ida nebe eficiente ba escola neng. Reportagem Efifania de Carvalho, Televisão Timor-Post.
Janela informação ba emohoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu, kita haluha, haneham botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.